They say that you may be lucky enough to live long enough to appreciate for a second time the fairy tales of your childhood. So I'm certainly gaining a better insight into the fairy tale that Miss Comiskey taught our class in P1 in St. Patrick's Primary School in Crossmaglen in 1972, The Elves and the Shoemaker. So the shoemaker, he gets all his bits and bobs in order, and he heads off to bed. And in the night, the elves arrive and they transform these basic ingredients, these basic materials into the finest shoes. Just like the universe transforms those basic elements we mentioned earlier into wonders that we don't appreciate often enough. There is in this fairy tale prismatic counsel. What you do is get everything in order to the best of your ability, and then let go and let the gods, let the universe figure out how it all should end. You will, of course, remember Pandora's mosquito-like creatures from her unplugged jug. Well, it wasn't any great military campaign or meticulous ambush that killed Oliver Cromwell, the nemesis of our country, but rather a mosquito from County Cork. Have you ever wondered why you like Cork? There should be a large mosquito when you enter Cork. And so maybe we should just pray for what is best and let the universe figure it all out, as happens in dream time, in the fairy tales, and indeed in our myths. Finally, final thoughts tonight, one to think about on the way home in the car. By answering on Gu Bug Cuan, as Cuchulainn did, and as all heroes do in our myths, by attending to that inner imperative, your inner Cuchulainn or Grania wheel, you save the world. Follow your bliss. Gur Maigah.